If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know, must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Yeah,
Yeah, man.
yeah,
Yeah, man.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, man.
yeah,
Yeah, man.
yeah,
Yeah, man.
yeah.
Yeah.
The girl put OV in her bio, so me know say Tevs and I fuck it. The girl put our world now, that's our girl. Me I'm just slam in the bucket.
Out of biscotti, I got in my well, need somebody grow me a tree. Came out the hood in my truck, got a hood nut, crack out the car with no keys. Beat it, she for the street, need. Only one she got hit at the street, need.
Slip the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the phone, just quick believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and
So for you see the face, I hear the voice, you know, you don't know, say a Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. And today, we have PS Fire in the Booth Part 1. So, you don't know, we might get a Part 2 very soon. Part 2 very soon. Yeah, I might sound like a different today because I've been my retainers. I doubt you can see them, but I have them in, so I sound like a different today. But people have been asking me to do this reaction for the longest while, and I just haven't gotten around to doing it. But today, we have it. And we don't know PS tough already. You see me? I say full of bars, full of flow. You understand? So we not waste too much time. Check out the other links in the description below, the other channels, and you know, my music and my gaming channel. And yeah, I could jump in it right now.
Fire in the booth, I was putting fire in the
Barrow.
I can show you.
Don't ask me how I know that part already. That part has been everywhere, bro. I see that in every little preview, every little something. So don't ask me that. But may I start it again?
Fire in the booth, I was putting
Fire in the
barrel.
barrel.
I can show you about riding. I was going out with a saddle. No.
He's on fire. PS is on fire. PS and CS.
I know you're gonna dig this.
Oh yeah. All the music, alright.
Oh man, it's got to that all important time of the
Hey, the boy Charlie Slot start weird the curly hair style, you know. Like the man and say, yo. Like the man start feel himself, brother. Why?
So once again, fire in the booth. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't. Credentials are strong and intact.
Yep.
And it's only big facts that I speak. And tonight we've got time for the streets. We got PS in the building.
Hitsquad, baby. Yeah, you know.
You ready, bro?
All that, yeah. Come on, man, let's get it.
You know what time it is when you hear this, right?
Now it's time
Them switch it up.
to rumble.
Bro, all of the Fire in the Booths I've heard before is let's get ready to rumble. Man, them switch it up, dog. I like it still.
Hitsquad, baby.
Hitsquad, baby.
You know this one bangs, innit?
Hey,
Scum, bro!
hey, don't be stupid. Shoot my shot like Cupid. But it ain't coming no GMs, teeth in a stick, toothpick. Don't be stupid.
And let's go, bro! Let's go!
Shoot, TAP. Ask the ops where their teammates be. Alright, true, some of them got luck, but some of them turn into THC. Me, I'm getting P lately. Baddie, I make a GAG. If I back up the GAT, slap show man about BAD.
Yo, I'd be lying if I say I remember everything him just said, bro. I just hear all the spelling and it just flow and my brain just couldn't manage it, bro. I couldn't keep up. Actually, let me go back and like take in what him say. Listen, shoot, TAP. When I tap it, bro, tap that.
Let's go!
Shoot, TAP. Ask the ops where their teammates be. Alright, true, some of them got luck, but some of them turn into THC.
Us the ups of the teammates be like I know some of them got luck, but some of them turn into THC. Like when I say yo, I know say some on the getaway and some on the rave, but some on the never, and some on the smoking on the up pack, bro. Come on.
Ask the ops where their teammates be. Alright, true, some of them got luck, but
The way him say it, man say, alright, true, some of them got luck, but some of them turn into like the man just cocky with man say, alright. Like it's nothing like, yeah, someone to get to it, but alright, someone are dead too. So like, oh man.
Some of them turn into THC. Me, I'm getting P lately. Baddie, I make her GAG. If I back up the GAT, slap show man about BAD. Yeah, I know you know my set.
I'm sorry, I have to hear that one more time, dog. I swear.
But some of them turn into THC. Me, I'm getting P lately. Baddie, I make her GAG. If I back up the GAT, slap show man about BAD. Yeah, I know you know my set. Hitsquad step, you know man gallivant. Tell a man guard up, I got my scarf up, I let it blow like Taliban. Look at them Ross, they all fast, I make them know about Ramadan.
Fast, you know fast, I make them know about Ramadan. You know fast, brother, you know fast. I'm gonna show you about fast. Show you about Ramadan, brother. The wordplay, bro, the fast and the fasting and the yeah, man.
Blow like Taliban, look at them Ross.
And then Taliban, oh, sorry.
They all fast, I make them know about Ramadan. You won't even know who's man a man. Thought it was me, it must have been Jagaban. Still on my block.
You don't even know who's man a man. Thought it was me or Jagaban. Who is Jagaban? I don't know. But that flow right there, everything was crazy.
I got my scarf up, I let it blow like Taliban. Look at them Ross, they all fast, I make them know about.
I let it blow like Taliban, bro. Terrorists them, oh my god.
I got my scarf up, I let it blow like Taliban. Look at them Ross, they all fast, I make them know about Ramadan. You won't even know who's man a man. Thought it was me, it must have been Jagaban. Still on my block, Jenny, Hitman, you know my block. Heavy.
Still on my block, Jenny. It's like it's basic, but him get the point across, bro. I'm still Jenny from the block.
Thought it was me, it must have been Jagaban. Still on my block, Jenny, Hitman, you know my block. Heavy, big man, you can get shot. Shelly, sip that, I take a shot. Henny, sick man, and I ain't got Medis. Lick that, I heard he got Reddies. Yeah, I make it hot. Nelly, big fat, I heard he got belly.
Oh, no. And him just a flow, like the flows just continue, dog. Like, I can't, take that back, bro. Still on my block. Jenny.
Fast, I make them know about Ramadan. You won't even know who's man a man. Thought it was me, it must have been Jagaban.
Come on.
Still on my block.
Jenny.
Hitman, you know my block.
Heavy.
Big man, you can get shot. Shelly, sip that, I take a shot. Henny, sick man, and I ain't got Medis. Lick that, I heard he got
sick man, and I ain't got Medis.
Shelly, sip that, I take a shot. Henny.
The way I'm looking in the camera as well, bro. Man mean business, bro. This is serious business. Man, serious, bro. Don't play.
Sick man, and I ain't got Medis. Lick that, I heard he got Reddies. Yeah,
lick that, I heard he got Reddies. Rob that, man, he's got the Reddies ready.
Shot Henny, sick man, and I ain't got Medis.
Lick man, I heard he got Reddies.
Yeah, I make it hot. Nelly, big fat.
I make it hot. Nelly, oh, Jesus. Bro, every line.
Medis, lick that, I heard he got Reddies. Yeah,
I make it hot. Nelly,
big fat, I heard he got belly.
Big fat, I heard he got belly.
Nose, booger, I point my finger, I'm Alan Sugar. You get fired or you get juke up. That's if Hitsquad pull up. HSQ, I'm finna do it like Snoop. Thing in a coat with my hood up. Fill up a suit, and I just fling on a tune. I think the Rizzler's full up, twos me. Hitsquad slap.
I think the Rizzler's full up, twos me. Oh man, take that back.
Belly, one in the nose, booger, I point my finger.
One in the nose, booger. One in the nose. One in the nose. Bro, don't play, bro.
Get hot, Nelly, big fat, I heard he got belly. One in the nose, booger, I point my finger, I'm Alan Sugar. You get fired or you get juke up. That's if Hitsquad pull up. HSQ, I'm finna do it like Snoop. Thing in a coat with my hood up. Fill up a suit, and I just fling on a tune. I think the Rizzler's full up. Twos me. Hitsquad slide, 2C, got tints on the ride.
Ooh, slide, 2C, like we heard everybody use a 2C slide bar, but like it's still hard.
I think the Rizzler's full up. Twos me. Hitsquad slide, 2C, got tints on the ride, Bookie. Who's that, what's that, who's he shoot? I'm finna do it like Yuki do. We only fuck one time, I don't know why, you act like you knew me, boo. I don't care what they said, all of their friends are dead like Lil Uzi's tune.
I don't care what they said, all of their friends are dead like Lil Uzi's tune. Bro, I'm taking that all back, bro. Don't get me wrong, you know, I fuck with his ups, you know, bro. I fuck with the Harlem Spartans and the 6-7 and them man that, but this is hard, bro. This is hard, I can't cap.
Business full up, twos me. Hitsquad slide, 2C, got tints on the ride, Bookie. Who's that, what's that, who's he shoot? I'm finna do it like Yuki do. We only fuck one time, I don't know why, you act like you knew me, boo. I don't care what they said, all of their friends are dead like Lil Uzi's tunes. Stupid, don't be stupid. Shoot my shot like Cupid.
Bow.
But it ain't coming no
GM.
Teeth in a stick, toothpick. Don't be stupid.
Teeth in a pick. Toothpick.
Stupid. Look, fire in the booth. I was putting
Fire
fire
in the barrel.
I can show you about riding. I was going out
With
with
a
a
saddle,
saddle. Now you ain't getting up, jump out, wet him up. Should've stepped out with a towel.
What?
I'm in the CAR, no VAR. I done him up foul. Look.
I'm in the CAR, no VAR. I done him up foul, bro. Go check the VAR, bro. Check the fucking VAR, man. Done him up foul. Come on.
I can show you about riding. I was going out with a saddle. No, now you ain't getting up, jump out, wet him up. Should've stepped out with a towel.
Now you ain't getting up, jump out, wet him up. Now you ain't getting up, jump out, wet him up. Man, this is...
I was going out
Bro,
with a saddle.
it's 8 minutes and 38 seconds long. I'm only 2 minutes 47 in. How am I gonna finish this?
No, now you ain't getting up, jump out, wet him up. Should've stepped out with a towel. If I'm in the CAR.
Oh, jump out, wet him up. Should've stepped out with a towel. I'm missing. Oh, man.
No, now you ain't getting up, jump out, wet him up. Should've stepped out with a towel. If I'm in the CAR, no VAR,
man,
I
done him up foul.
Brown skin one with a bunda. Fantastic. She got a couple of C cups, so she want D cups, so she want plastic. I didn't want no cases, so for the casings, wrap it in plastic. Smash this, slap it in plastic. Wrap one more in elastic. I'm trying to pattern up commas. I'm like an English tutor. And I can vouch for Snoop Bruce, he's a delinquent shooter.
Ooh.
I told bro, can we bring this Hoover? Big bang, damn, I got that Sheldon Cooper. Smoking 2 car, I need a...
We got that big bang Sheldon Cooper.
Big bang, damn, I got that Sheldon Cooper. Smoking 2 car, I need a Q, I ain't playing no snooker. Stupid, don't be stupid. Shoot my shot like Cupid. But it ain't coming no GM, teeth in a stick, toothpick. Don't be stupid. Stupid.
Come on! PS Hitsquad in the building!
Honestly, bro, if it did done this, I wouldn't vex. Honestly. I get everything I need. I get the bars, the flows, the beat sick. I don't need nothing else, bro.
I've been saying you've been a problem for a minute, bro.
Shelling.
Been watching you out here, mate.
Come on, gang.
You're horrible with it.
Come on, my Z.
Don't even say horrible, it's horrible. You don't even say horrible, mate.
Yeah.
Ben, no.
We got it again, yeah?
Go on.
Final lap. Let's take him to church, bro.
Yeah.
The guitar strings. Ooh, a rap vibe. Uppercut. He's hitting up.
Listen, I just got off the phone. It was bro, he on a prison phone. And he ain't a joker, he a villain though. I sit and think, Najee, I sit and smoke, feeling low. Cause to see my bro, I gotta get a ticket, yo. Imagine how I'm feeling.
To see a bro, I gotta get a ticket, yo. Honestly, I don't even know what that's like, bro. Me no wanna know what that's like.
Feeling low, cause to see my bro, I gotta get a ticket, yo. Imagine how I'm feeling. Imagine how I'm feeling though. Then my flipping bros, fucking hell, I miss them loads. Why you think I drink all this Hennessy and I'm piffing loads? I just got a whap, I got a different pole. I gotta watch my back, I done a lot of crap. I rob niggas, chop niggas, and I got them whacked. If I pull out the strap, back it slap, rat-a-tat. I'm in black on black, look. I was showing niggas love, they ain't reciprocate. Same niggas I was out with till it's flipping late. Every time I went in and left them prison gates, did it by myself, I ain't have no help. Free loose and free little Bruce.
Yeah.
Free loose, little bro, 13, spilling juice. He got more than his age. I'm going through pain, my heart broke. I just gave his mum a little change.
What? Let me hear that again.
Free loose and free little Bruce. He loose.
Free little Bruce, he loose.
Little bro, 13, spilling juice.
Little bro, 13, spilling juice.
He got more than his age.
He got more than his age. He's 13 and him have more than 13. Nah, man.
I'm going through pain, my heart broke. I just gave his mum a little change. Have you ever
Gave his mum a little change, man. I know you're helping her out, but man, he's gone, man. What him get? Him get 13 years? Or him have 13 man pan him shank? What him do?
Bruce, he loose, little bro, 13, spilling juice. He got more than his age. I'm going through pain, my heart broke. I just gave his mum a little change.
Yeah, I think it's more than 13 years him get.
Have you ever been so low, blowing smoke, thinking about your next strategy? I'm a felon, I don't know about salary. I'm hungry, I need food, I need calories. Look,
I need food and calories so come here I got a gym. Want get wham, want get bolo dolo. You understand? But I kinda know about salary still like I'm not a felon, bro.
I'm a felon, I don't know about salary. I'm hungry, I need food, I need calories. Look, I'm a trapper B, and anytime money's low, I'll do a robbery. Fuck it, shit happens, G. Ain't nothing personal.
Man, fuck it, shit happens, G. That's the roads for you, bro. Fuck it, shit happens, G.
Time money's low, I'll do a robbery. Fuck it, shit happens, G. Ain't nothing personal. It's dog eat dog, and you ain't yamming me. Look, I had a dream.
And you ain't yamming me, no. No man can yam me.
Ain't nothing personal. It's dog eat dog, and you ain't yamming me. Look, I had a dream. I nearly got to the heaven gates, but God's real tight. Then Shaitan hugged me real tight and said, you already know what hell feels like. I woke up and picked up my stainless steel knife. Let me show you real life. My bro's innocent, he got a life sentence. Imagine what that feels like. Nah, that don't feel right.
My bro's innocent, he got a life sentence. Imagine what that feels like. Bro, honestly, me no want to know what that feel like or even imagine for know what that feel like, bro. But not for them thing with the innocent, he might innocent pan that case there, but he might have other things them do, you see me? So yeah, them kill two birds with one stone. But free him still if him innocent, you understand?
But he just took it on the chin. He the real type, kept his lips sealed tight. Damn, I'm sick of this shit. Sitting in my cell, I can't help but think I'm bigger than this. Fuck it, I bang up.
Yes, man, sitting in myself thinking I'm bigger than this. Yes. Right now, yes, I for that brother up on fire in the boot, bro. And I kill the music scene, bro. Not in a fucking prison cell, dog. Free SJ, free Mizar Mac, free fucking G Smarker, free fucking... Is TG at the next one? I don't remember, dog, but free all the rappers that are injured. Free Work Rate, free 60, Absa Fresh Home. Yeah, man, free everybody, dog. Free everybody. Free ST from 6-7, free everybody.
Sitting in my cell, I can't help but think I'm bigger than this. Well, fuck it, I bang up and build up my spliff. On the wing, makeshift shanks or lift up my fist. This is what I signed up for. In a trap, 8 peps for a night, but the cat still wants one more. 2 in the blue in the ride, baby on board. Or I got a whap on my lap, make it clap like an encore.
I got a baby. 2 in the queue, I got a baby, but still got a baby on board. Come driving with the baby.
8 peps.
Yeah, dog. Yeah, man. May I get it, man?
For a night, but the cat still wants one more. 2 in the blue in the ride, baby on board. Or
2 in a blue in the ride, baby on board. I thought it was 2 in a queue, but 2 in the blue, yeah.
I got a whap on my lap, make it clap like an encore. I make it clap like a stripper hole. No cop back, tap the trigger, bro. I put a nigga on his back for my nigga, yo. K2, 2 tap, that's my nigga, though. That's my nigga, he loyal to the bone. Hitsquad, baby, we loyal to the zone. Even though the streets don't love anyone, I stick to the G code, yes, everyone. Kick back, roll a smelly one.
Everyone.
Car when it's all set.
Stick to the G code, yes, everyone. Every single code.
G code, yes, everyone. Kick back, roll a smelly one. Car when it's all said and done, you should know better like shh, shh, shh. What did you think street life would be like? Call me Zach with my cold D, it ain't a sweet life.
Call me Zach with my cold D, it ain't a sweet life. Listen, me name Zach, but me I gotta explain about it. Call me Zach with my Cody. Zach and Cody. His Cody, the co-defendant. This ain't a sweet life. The sweet life was SUITE, but this ain't a SWEET life. Ain't a sweet life, bro. Come on, bro. You know the thing already, brother. Street life and a sweet life, brother. Real life.
What did you think street life would be like? Call me Zach with my cold D, it ain't a sweet life. And ever since knee height, I've been trying to get it out of the mud. Kick back, throw some loud in the scud. Yeah, that's for the pain. Mad thoughts on my brain. Yeah, pause when it rains. Hitsquad, baby, got more in the gates. We are Paul on my mates. At least it ain't the morgue or the grave. Alhamdulillah. She tried her best, I give thanks to my Marge. Used to hide waps in the park. Remember them times in the up block? We used to camp in the dark. Just waiting for a op to go corner shop. Trying to leave the strip cordon off and shit. He ain't involved. Cause in a year's time he could be. And he could be the same nigga that cooks me. So I get him down and go light up some cookie. This life in the hood be. Yeah.
Come on now!
He's on fire! He's on fire!
Hitsquad in the building! I feel we just had another moment there, my guy. I've been saying for the longest time, you gotta sign. And And you stepped up today and showed everyone else why I think that, you know what I mean?
Come on, gang, we say fire in the booth.
Fire in the booth!
Hitsquad.
Hey, that was real life, man. I was like I was watching a movie, bro.
You see me?
Trust me.
To show them a bit of level, you know?
Like showing that versatility as well, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And that right there is fire in the booth. Mad.
Yeah.
So I hope you enjoyed that, Fran.
Yeah, I did, Charlie. Yo. Well, first of all, well done fucking PS, dog. Well fucking done to PS for this, bro. If you watch the channel, you know say the 6-7 Harlem Spartan side are my side. You see me? I say meaning like them me really listen to in terms of music, you understand? But this, regardless of where PS come from, brother, this tough you fuck. You understand? And then when him forward with the rap, I'm just a spit the real shit, dog. You see me? And then at the start, when it was the drill beat, and it was the bars and the flows, and brother, this is 20 minutes long, bro. Like I did a whole heap of breaking down and stuff on this, bro. But me don't want to talk too long and drop the video anymore. But this is fucking amazing. Big up Charlie Slot for, you know what I'm saying, making that possible. And big up PS for just being a fucking sick rapper, dog. You see me? So that was PS Fire in the Boot Part 1. If them come out with Part 2, we're definitely reacting to it. I'm going to try to do it same day if it come out. You see me? But you don't know, that's Cogency on the... This is Cogency on the Cogency React channel. And I'm out this motherfucker, man. Wait. Like, share, subscribe, and click the links in the description. Subscribe to my other channels, watch my other videos. You know what I'm saying? I got content for days, bro. You know what I'm saying? You're never bored over here. So, you don't know. Check out everything. Cogency on the Cogency React channel. And I'm out this motherfucker. Peace.
Yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the 400 quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round